Have you ever made a mistake or changed your mind about a note in the Notes app? Whether you accidentally deleted some text or just want to go back to an earlier version, the Notes app has some super easy ways to help you undo and redo your actions. Let's dive into how you can quickly undo and redo actions in the Notes app. Solution 1. Using the Shake to Undo feature. First, while you are in the Notes app, give your iPhone a shake to turn on the undo feature. You'll see a pop-up asking if you want to undo typing. Just tap undo to go back to what you had before. If you want to redo, shake your iPhone again and another pop-up will appear asking if you want to redo typing. Tap redo to bring back your action. Solution 2. Using the toolbar for undo or redo. Open up a note in the Notes app. Here, you'll notice the undo icon, a curved arrow pointing left, and the redo icon, a curved arrow pointing right in the formatting toolbar. Tap the undo icon if you want to revert your last action or hit the redo icon to reinstate it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently undo and redo actions in the Notes app, making it so much easier to edit your notes without any stress. Keep an eye out for more tips on how to get the most out of the Notes app.